Good morning, students. This lecture on nonlinear system analysis through the Lafnow-based approach. First of all, we discuss about the overview, nonlinear system, and introduction, linearization, Lafnow stability theory, example, and summary. Nonlinear system introduction. This is a model. Suppose that x equal to f, element of t, x, and u, and next element y denoted by the h, and element t, x, u. है ना? First input, output, and body of the system property. Do not follow the principle of the superposition property. About the superposition principle discussed in lecture 1 and also lecture 2. For the example, f tx a u plus b u2 not equal to a f tx u1 plus b f u1. And some important points: multiple equivalent points, limit cycle, isolation of the constant amplitude and frequency, and harmonic oscillation for the constant frequency input, shows randomness, complicated steady state behavior, multiple modes of behavior. An introduction. Autonomous system. The nonlinear function does not explicitly depends on the time. Again, we define the two variable x dot and y. Fn system x dot fx plus gxu, and for system input ut equal to 0, so we can say that x dot equal to fx. Example, pendulum. This is a pendulum equation, and the state equation x dot 1 x2 and x2 given L is a length of the pendulum, sin xt k ml square x2. Exercise. Identify the category to which following different equation belong to y. X dot tx, x dot minus x square, x dot ux, where u is a external input. Fourth one is x dot equal to minus 2x xt. Next concepts, linearization. This equation homework 4. This is again homework. Linearization. Concept of equilibrium points. Consider a system x dot equal to f x u, where function fi dot are continuously differentiable, and the equilibrium point x e u e for this system is defined f x e u e equal to 0. What is a linearization? Linearization is process of replacing the nonlinear system model by its linear counterparts in a small region about the equivalent points. Why do we need it? We have well established tool to analyze and stabilize linear system. The method, linear method. First differentiation, second differentiation, again and n differentiation. You can write. Let us constant input that force, and this is a whole 2, and explanation through the Taylor series explanation. This is a Taylor series, and where differentiation Jacobian matrix that note constant and linear approximation find out. Similar this process for the input, and similar process for the output equations. Similar output nonlinear model. This is output equations, vector notification. Taylor series equation can again use the linear approximation about our equation. Let y equal to ye plus del y, and I have obtained this equation. Example x dot minus e power minus t initial x to 0 and will state x equal to 0, which is only equilibrium point that linear system has. This equation has two equilibrium points, x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. Stable and unstable equilibrium points